Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DocuSign integration to automate contract signing, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the setup of DocuSign integration for automated contract signing, first, log into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the settings section, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Look for the integrations tab within the settings menu. Click on the Add Integration button to start the integration process. Choose your preferred application from the list available for integration. If your desired application is not listed, you may opt for the API integration. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate your chosen application with DocuSign. You will be required to grant permissions for the application to access your DocuSign account. After establishing the connection, configure settings such as templates and user roles specific to your contracts. Ensure that you set up the signing workflow according to your business needs. Customize the email notifications and reminders to keep all parties informed during the signing process. Test the integration by sending a sample document for signing to verify that all settings are functioning correctly. Review the audit trail features to ensure you can track document status, signatures, and timestamps. Once everything is confirmed to be working, educate your team on how to use the new automated contract signing process. Regularly check the integration settings to accommodate any updates or changes in your workflow. Take advantage of DocuSign's support resources if you encounter any complications during the setup. Finally, enjoy the efficiency and reliability that comes with automated contract signing through DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.